tick a moment lost, every hand cuts endlessly. If I could break them all and leave us in the beauty of the still, I'd hold you close, I'd hold you close, and I always will. But while you stand here next to me, 'cause every second you're always eternity, and I know you can choose anyone to be with you. But darling, won't you stand here next to me? The silence is golden until your world comes crashing down. I'm stranded, I need you now. Would you stand here next to me? 'Cause every second you're away feels like eternity.